Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this quick tutorial, I want to learn how you can select a different bar style. And by that, I mean, you can see over here the candles displayed on the chart. This represents the price. And by default, it is set to regular candles, as you can see over here, when you hover over this icon. And there are a few different options in Tradingview that you can choose, and you can view them all by clicking on this drop down arrow over here. And if you hover over it, you can see bar style, so that's the one you need to have. You can click on it, and then you see a few options of different bar types you can choose from. Basically, I have 3 selected as favorites, and my advice will be for you to do that as well. Don't get caught up in all the different options they have to offer, because most of them, they are barely used. And the 3 over here, the regular candles, the line, and the Heikin Ashi types, that are the ones that are the most used bar styles. So of course you can study them as well if you want to, but keep in mind that the candles, the line, and the Heikin Ashi, those 3 are the most used. And now it's set to the regular candles, but if I select the line option, for example, over here, now you'll see that everything will be displayed like this. In another video in which I will explain everything about divergences, and to spot divergences, then this line bar type can be really helpful. So if I want to set it to Heikin Ashi candles now, for example, then I can select them right from here, because the reason they are shown over here is because I have set them as favorites. And if I add for columns, for example, if I select the star mark, then you will see that the icon also becomes available over here from the toolbar. So let me deselect that again, the columns, and now you see that the icon also will disappear from here. So by adding them to your favorites, you can also make sure that the symbols or the icons will be displayed over here, and then you can select them a lot faster. So if I want to set it to Heikin Ashi, I can select this icon. Now you see the Heikin Ashi candles. These are the regular candles, and this is the line chart. So let me explain it to you one more time. To summarize it, first thing you have to do is click on the drop down arrow that you see over here, and if you hover over it, you can see bar style, and over there you can select the bar type that you want to, and also add them as favorites, so then they will be displayed over here. So I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.